Have you heard about the new TV in town?
Official Ability TV. Please subscribe.
Hey, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. If not because of you, my husband and me have since. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So, all this food that this auntie has been cooking is from phone call. I will catch her someday.
What? It's okay. It's okay.
What are you doing in my pot?
Wonderful. So you cannot cook. Big aunts like you.
Jesus
So
is
all
Lord.
this food that you have been cooking in this house is from phone call. I'll expose you. Your husband must hear this.
Jesus
now,
is Lord.
please now, don't tell my husband. Please don't tell my husband. I'll give you money. Don't tell my husband, please don't. See, you can buy this food. Please don't tell my husband, please. Take now.
Thank you. I will not tell your husband, but go and learn how to cook. Go and learn how to cook to avoid story that touches the heart.
A group of people were bribed with money.
My guy, see, there's something I remember. You know that woman shop now that we normally used to pass. Is it Mama?
That junction.
Yes. There is this guy. He normally used to talk about this business. You know me. I used to like business, but the way he's telling me about this business,
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish. This man.
We didn't mention the business.
Yes, the name. He said that is it Naira? Is it Naira Babes or what?
Something way bad for this.
Where is this game?
But the business, I'm seeing like the guy just wants to dupe me my money. Guy, he's a scammer.
Photo.
Yes, so that was what the guy told me.
Something.
Wait. You want to tell me something?
Yes.
Hope you are telling me legit something. You know me, I don't know
Wait,
about this.
are you doing or not? Let me hold my secret.
Secret?
Yes.
Hey, you don't like with that thing. Secret?
Yes.
I mean, tell me.
Jesus is Lord.
So this guy is trying to expose me.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Hey,
Chimdi, what are you telling him? I told you not to tell. I gave him my money. I beg you not to tell him. I are telling him. Chimdi, you give my money.
baby, wait. What is it all about telling and not telling? Is there anything on that I need to know?
Oh, this word no balance at all. Because I'm discussing with your husband, you think I will tell him.
I've heard all you are telling me. See, this is now business. We are talking business. Just tell me the truth. You know me now. Me and you, just tell me the truth. All I want is truth. Just tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. That's what I want to.
Okay, did I tell you that all the food that your wife normally used to cook is from phone call?
No.
Thank God I'm safe. That was what she thought I'm telling you.
Wait, explain
what? Explain what?
Oh God, who did I offend? Trying to be a good girl, but she sees me as a gossip. I rest my case.
Have you heard about the new TV in town?
Official Ability TV. Please subscribe.